If you like cars and if you like good cuisine, oh boy, have we got the event for you. The Wow Cruise In is making its way to Delmarva for the 17th year, bringing lots of fun and festivities along the way.
And it's all for a good cause to help those in our community. Here to tell us more is Steve Mixter. He is the president of the Wheels That Heal Car Club. Welcome to DelmarvaLife.
Well, thank you very much.
Good to see you. All right, 17 years. Wow. How did it all come about? I mean, the idea for Wow.
Actually, it started 19 years ago, but we had 2 years off for COVID. But, it all happened when a fellow down there, John Tawes, in Chrisfield, called me and said, you know, we're thinking about bringing some cars down. Would you like to do it? And well, you know, Chrisfield, we'll probably get 30 cars or so down there. I think we had like 100 on the first time we did it.
Wow.
And it's grown from there. So we're up now to 200 to 300 every time we do this.
Wow.
We go all the way from the city dock out to 10th Street, and we line both sides of the highway and the medium. So it's amazing. It's gotten to be so big.
Why has this become such a big deal that people always want to make sure to go?
Well, you know, the car hobby is a lot of people put a lot of money into their cars and a lot of time and effort, and they want to show them off. So there's no better place than to come down, show them all off at one time, and make some money for a good cause.
Yeah.
Anything new this year with the?
Yeah, this year we've got, well, last year we had first time we had a DJ. It's DJ Wiz with Steve Gustus with TNS Entertainment Group. But this year we're also adding the rhythm section band, so we'll have a little live band going up on stage too.
That's nice.
That's terrific. So you raise money. Where does the money go?
This year, well, it goes to a variety of causes over the years, but this year it's Unstoppable Joy, and we're putting a donation in the name of Jenna Drewer Knoll. Jenna died last year, unfortunately, but Unstoppable Joy was very big in her support along the way, and they support anyone with cancer. So we're making that donation this year to her, and the way we get that donation, actually it's a free show, but we do ask for a donation to register. We ask everybody to register and give us a donation.
Right.
We do a 50-50 auction, and at the end of the thing, around 7:30, 7:45, we give the money away.
That's wonderful. All right, let's talk about those cars.
Yeah.
What are some of your favorites that frequent these car shows?
Oh, well, I like all the Pontiacs.
Oh, yeah,
Pontiac,
because you have one, right?
Because I'm a Pontiac guy from way back. You know, it killed me when they stopped making them.
Yeah.
But you know,
brag about yours first, and then tell us what else is there.
Everything. You know, we have street rods. We have classic cars, all the way from the 40s up to the 70s. We have special interest vehicles, and that is, I mean, sand rails or anything else that people might want to put together in their garage, you know. But my favorites are classics because that's where I come from, and I'm getting to be one myself.
You said you've got a 64 goat.
Yes, and it's my second one. I had one when I was 18 years old, and somehow I survived that. You know? So it was time. I bought a '66 Mustang at one point, and I had that a few years, but I always wanted to get that '64 GTO back.
And you got it.
And 32 years ago, I found one, and I went ahead and made the jump and got it.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow, wow. So are there still tickets available?
It's not a ticket event.
Okay.
It's just come down.
Come down.
Yeah. You show up, we'll park you. You come up and register your vehicle. We ask for a donation. And have fun for the rest of the day. There's good food and entertainment.
Okay. Tell us again when it is.
It's July 27th. Starts at 4 o'clock. And I would say you want to get there a little bit early because people are down there early parking.
Yeah.
If you want to get a good spot, you want to be there by 3.
Now, car show folks don't like to show in the rain, so you've got a rain date?
They don't like it. And it is a rain date, and it's the 4th Saturday of August. We're just taking it 1 month back.
Gotcha.
I don't have that exact date with me right now, but that's when it would be.
Yeah.
We don't worry about that.
Yeah.
We get good weather.
It's going to be a beautiful day.
It'd be beautiful.
Take care of all that.
Steve, thank you so much for coming in.
Well, thank you.
And good luck with
Thank you
the
for
show.
having me.